Welcome back, Max Weber. In this lecture, we will discuss Max Weber, the concept of bureaucracy, which is this is one of the most important lecture regarding public administration. So let's start. Max Weber is a brief life sketch of Max Weber. Uh, his era is from 1864 to 1920. He was a German lawyer. He was a politician and historian and political economist. So he completed his doctoral thesis on the topic contribution to the history of medieval business organization, and he was the first administrative thinker to study interrelationship between state and society. And also he threw light on significance of power, authority, and legitimacy. Now comes towards the Max Weber's theory of bureaucracy. Uh, is Max Weber's theory basically based upon his legal rational authority, and these are the in the following slides there are some basic features of his theory of bureaucracy. The first is hierarchy. Any organization, any administration, any company, any business, there must be an hierarchy for a successful smooth running of any of the business. It needs an hierarchy. So, public administration or a bureaucratic organization that is basically based upon a well defined hierarchy and hierarchy based on authority. So, uh, he has worked on power, authority, and legitimacy. So, here authority is very important, but before it, hierarchy is the first pillar of his model. The second one is division of labor. There must be a division of work. That is functional specialization, as by earlier philosophers like Plato, etc. They forced on functional specialization, like those Max Weber stressed on the division of work. So the second of his ladder, that is division of labor, that every employee in the organization has a well defined power and authority that's based upon implies specialization and expertise. So that is the second one. And the third one is consistency. Bureaucratic organization functions within a framework of fixed rules and regulations. So there must be a consistency. Rules regulate all matters abstractly, and no one is special or above the law. So there must be consistency. Qualification. This is very much important for a bureaucratic model. In his bureaucratic model, the bureaucrats should be properly and scientifically selected. So qualification matters here. It enables the efficiency of the bureaucracy. Without it, without a qualification, without a proper and defined qualification, the organization will suffer. So, according to Max Weber, qualification is most important. So, hierarchy, and then comes division of work and consistency, and the fourth one is qualification. So, such a bureaucratic organization specifies the duties and responsibilities of the bureaucrats, and authority implies responsibility. So, all these things are interlinked. Every bureaucratic organization functions within a specific procedure laid down by the organization, and this procedure is laid down for performing their functions. So, one of the unique features suggested by Weber is the impersonal approach of an employee. So in the organization, he must be impersonal. Every employee should function uh, with uh, with impersonal approach while performing their duties.